Orofo, mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so medin edi adwa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification. And some ekoso wo men will be oben yebiati and as oben yebiahwe ewo GCN page ha. Fuse ni donko eka NDC communication team members omo Ashanti region. Na oko akoma FM dwumede watu ni din Ghana akoma so. Ana pebi omo ye discussion efa on my Ghana na ho na fuse ni donko edit to dwa na o kyerese NDC for omo nili de bi omo di omo animu no mo etu frank omo from 2012 to 2020 wo me ebekọ 2024 leader omo nim eyo man pani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama because ono na wa sell ni hu yie a obetumi e di NDC for anim na ya to no shaba no wanwini na 2020 kra ba ya to mo hwe o man pani nanado COVID-19 but change free or change light free SHS mini 1D 1F mini nyema ekoso wo mamunya asem keto akra ni na akra Ghana fo ye hwa ba ye ba de ye tro ka akra ka pese ye to nanadugo na o man pani dada 2016 ya to aba dumso edu si obi a woman dumso o se ya Mahama aye di to abeti ano o man pani dada to John Dramani Mahama etubi tuga efuma Ghana fo na yakoma yinete why dwanfu yare na akadompe ene nsem o mampenda da keka kya nya sem keto akra owie no sanso bedira pinsi so e ka kya ye se Ghana fo de ye was short memory and pass ye was short memory in 2020 about e kire se ye was short memory ampa nene na fu se ni don kwa kire se o mampenda da de ona no mo de ne ba because se 2020 about e tu kra ka kakra bi na kwa wini dia and say 2024 simple easy cry because you should grad NPP for more 4 years 8 years every enti no kene kia NDC for and more e ban to mampani dada John Dramani Mahama no be di omo anim then a presenter no host program na say you say what obi a wa be ye 110 president pe one time president no kwaya to ne so aba no o defeat poto ye de over 1 million vote the two of my penny that tugu ina band tugu is all ni ye hia because opefu to dodo opefu to all to foot too much njonko no mo san so de na ba na mo ye sure pass obewini na ye ntie ensem a ekoso
because Rawlings were the rallying factor in the PNDC and the NDC. As John Evans at Tamils, Onu nebe a rallying factor for us from 2000 to 2008.
Okay.
It is from 2012 up to today. The only rallying factor you also see John Mahama. And then the German Crofobin Bessayan also.
At the time when he's a certain president defeated shamefully and the second
Rawlings,
term
Rawlings now on your president you lose 2000.
But do you know sir Rawlings sir now
but he was but he was able to hold the fort. Campaign for John Mahama, John Mills. When him said 2008 election, Rawlings played a very significant role. Though Atamils was the rallying point, Rawlings played a very significant role. It's a bad power, no. That was where there was conflict because people thought, say, okay, Rawlings is still the rallying factor, so let him lead. And people also said, no, this man is the president now, so let's listen to him. That was why Rawlings versus Atamils issue ni buy. What you say? But right after that, you know, we also saw okay, Atamils is now the leader. That is why you could change your constitution. Yes, the flag bearer and the sitting president is the leader of the party. That was why we did that. So that at least there will be one rallying point. You see your opposition, chairman and the leader of the party. Yes. But the young elected flag bearer, he becomes the leader. But the only rallying factor in the NDC, the only rallying point, NDC for Ninabe to Edin John Mahama. 87.9. This will go I see. Now, our person Obama, you are prepared. They said the Obama, you be name.
I see.
Simple and short.
That's very interesting. Therefore,
kilometers. And only 2 weeks na ye. And you know, at the end of the day, ye passing me na catcher mamma mo. I want to say, as ye be been so ye near. A baby, I will be coffee. Oh, near mammy and son too.
Okay.
Into no buy me catcher and so more no more coffee.
I see.
First, security be free on them.
Oh, okay.
To was a kunkumakunku kosro and broad daylight robbery se kosro. Tis a security be basa.
I see.
Was oh, I am a for the Muhabe Jim. You started downgrade you. nya starting meso economy ne up uhu kutuku fa kora nhyem de odu beto we kora unya akatua kora ho eden ma wo na bo hu se de beba bo hu se afa de okofie no na dum so de no ho abegim.
I see.
Aban bi or a check from Rollins time.
Oba dum so de every government bia ba ne second.
Oba kofie bia na dum so ba. Oh, Rollins 97, 98, 99 say Satan dum so start here. And IMF no hwani e ma kunkum 99 and ye de kofie. Kufuo ba ye oye ne dwuma sa 2007 na dum so start IMF the year ba form na broad daylight robberies ran hwani and odi kofie. You beka no assassination ne hwani roko frimpon ne nkrofo and odi kofie. Na say do na do so na we sisi a de be na chese ya Ghana for ne mre na aso MPP bre na aso sisi omo be kofie but yesra omo say ma omo nsai no kra no omo de enim omo hu so omo kofie no omo be sai no kra asa no makọ ne ye ba na yesai bebre nti de okaka de mini hu problem but minua NDC it is all part of the reorganization process.
Is it not too early?
It is not too
early. Some of this is
and sia na enye ku.
Oh really?
Na you think ben kumbu a obeka say Joma Mahama collated result mra obi obeka say your friend is saying opushi Mahama enra asaba say Joma Mahama is the best bet for NDC in any election. Enra de ya Ben Kumbo. Go to Ghana web edaho. The Ghana web sisi ya EBNU. Nano agric minister ba has op president edi. Adeni mona ma op president edi. Joga teka so obedi president yes ye man ministerial appointment. Akuma dan tomato so no so pebi. Ba umia start ye campaign. Ano de na do ntimi kan kire ne say jai break the 8 na wo ye no. Wate ho executive nyina omo ye ho adwuma.
Oh really?
Yes. Ama odene ho ne chama untumi dia boni okurum ha odene ho so na Baumia campaign manager chama untumi so na Baumia campaign manager omo dia boni okurum ha
eno ye da ben
wonte
omo mi enu ko
jai
sense
ko Facebook na ko he odene ho crofo wo ho they say ayama odene ho so bu afu se sade ono so betu untumi na obedi chairman that is going on do ka say sabi wo de e chance na ye doctor ntino ekuru no pa na de plaster atale so nti ekuru ni ho ebe hu enye na ebetu Baumia ne Alan eno kra de sophistry Baumia pa ontwe ne mu ne betene ko ye pe ondi da
na da we party chairman
mi se omo mane ndia ai na de no ho dwokra ya mane ndi na wa utwa ntoro hwan MPP ai de be ma Baumia akai ensi omo fa ma no na Ali Mahama kra ne ho dwokra ya fa ma
party council of elder MPP
mi se omo fa ma no
council of elder MPP don ko kusini
o de tena ho
ohun am wanwo
hwan omo de ne so ade so na ya ade keke omo de ne so ade so ya ade keke omo beka chense ne time aso masa obe do you fu na badia fu rankasa ba obe na ade so na omo pia na si nchen ndi NDC ade ba ko ye me de ne se
okay
we nyina chi the NDC will rise mighty hwe omo ka chense ye nya 39 40% kura ye nya o Omsi Joma Mahama 40% kura wonya. Na wa wuti abamu, wa ma free water, free electricity, free SHS, free money. Such sika free okrom ha o. Ni nyina achi. Na se esa koto aba na o lose over 500 to 600,000 votes a. O say e man to nyum frɛ me, ma ya de eno kura ngi se o sa ko pe a certain gemensa be wie mu boa.
That is a very serious thing.
Don't
confuse that is a serious
before you can stay in power.
You don't say you because we went to call and
and that is what my party says. That is what I saw.
No,
me dey me say gemensa wie mu ma no.
We court and
the court to beka any the omo beka dey nyam asem. That is what I know, that is what I believe. O say I saw how they for us in the NDC hey ye the anti so dogo bi no abaw me say ye de igusu gunkotodwe pa Joma Mahama chew say ye de yesre no
more punch
bi obefa so obesa ba bi onsambra Kofi, I said it here and I repeat it. It's only somebody who has problem in the head that will come and contest Joma Mahama in the NDC.
I see.
Yes. Let's send Nipakron Najum Kano. What I say?
A lot of people are coming.
Masa, Mr. Joma Mahama da 2024. Ni yankwa kwaya ko ye campaign Ghana for the betche. This time the Ghana for say masa, yes atuma mu bioma mo ho ban. Because ba kono ma mo ho ban.
Oh.
Yes.
I see.
That is all they are asking from us. And to say, who end this simu? Now instead of say, you be my papa na home. No wait me any time. Yeah, reorganization properly. Now see yan sanko contester. Now umpe end this year. That's how we nipa no umpe end this year. Win end this ho. I just say you chiro bibi kakra watiwa.
Tina kumbo machiri bibi kakra.
Oh no, I will draw fast. Well, share you turn in the middle of the motorway.
I see.
On one actually you turn on motorway. So
you are just saying.
Why?
I just say.
Why?
Bibi kakra.
Let me see.
Where am I chiri bibi kakra?